Hold, who is that, Max? Is that your baby?
Yeah.
Who is he?
Boone.
Baby Boone?
Yeah, baby Boone.
Well, come over here and tell me about him.
Boone is Boone.
Oh, look how beautiful your baby is.
Yeah.
Can you sing to your baby?
Yeah.
Okay, sing a song to your baby.
Oh. Sing more ABCs.
Okay, you can sing the ABC song to your baby.
More ABCs.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Know my aim, ABCs. Make some left to see, not me.
Oh, that was so sweet that you sang to your baby. Now, do you give your baby love?
Yeah.
How do you give your baby love? Show me how you love him.
Yeah.
Oh. What is your baby's name?
Rooney.
Oh. I love you.
Taking.
Are you gonna put your baby to sleep? Is it nap time for your baby?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna put him to bed?
Yeah.
Where's his baby bed?
How?
Okay, we'll put him in the bed and cover him up and tell him night-night.
Not like that.
Put him in the bed. I'll take the iPad. There we go. Oh.
You're not doing it. You're not doing it.
You're a sweet daddy.